All right, welcome back. This is part two of the inversing coordinates. And I'm not even sure, some people may not even know what this is about. So I'm going to try to touch on that. And first thing I'm going to do is go to review. So here, let me show you how I did this. I select these, control, 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 and then I formatted them, right, to the gray, to that blue. Kind of tells me that these are editable. And then I right click again, and then I go to format cells. You could do control or a function F1. I think it's a function F1, control 1, something like that. You'll get, and then you go to protection, and then I unlock these. So I uncheck that they're not locked, right? So that's pretty much it. And then, like everything else, naturally is if you do the same thing, control 1, protection, you can see that they're still locked, right? And it is control 1, not X. And maybe it's function F1 too. No. All right. So, and then you just, once you know those are unchecked, they're not going to be locked. Go to review and then protect sheet. And then the selected cells and the unlocked cells, that thing, those two are checked naturally. And then you just hit like that, okay? And then you try to change anything and it'll give you an error, but you can check these. So let's say random GPS coordinates is 222.2 easting of 1002.25, and then 333.5 and 150. Just some random enters, right? And so I'm going to copy those, right? So I got the information 194.65, and I got the orientation 165.79. I'm going to go to this notebook. So open up notebook, control paste, and the file save as. Just do it as the inverse that I had. Oh, that's invert. That's, no, I don't want it to. Inverse. Coordinate inverse, maybe. Training. I'm going to just do a different one. I think the invert's something else. Then we can go to this here. We can open this up. And then import inverse. Open. Right, and then you'll have looks like there's a line there. That's weird. Oh, because I didn't get rid of something here. Control W. So there's the line, right? Alt. So if you do the dimension on there, uh, 194 point different. Let's go format cell, units, decimal. Right, that's right decimal. Right, we don't want it in decimal. We want decimal. And we can run it down to 2, 194.65, and 194.65, 165.79. If we go Alt and A, H, I'm orientating from the north. $135.79. Actually, it's interesting. 139, 165.79. 90 should round up to 07996. It wasn't rounded in Excel either. 7996. Well, different to 5 decimal places. All right. The reason why this is useful is because now I can set my instrument here. let's say that's the instrument set up. I don't have orientation north to backside, but I can do this. I can set my instrument up and I can turn it to this point, and I can hold the 165.7995, which would be converted to degrees, minutes, and seconds. All right, and then now that I'm oriented, I can hit another coordinate point, and I can just plug in the GPS coordinates. With now I know I'm on what coordinates I'm on, and I'm backsided, and then all I can do is go into the coordinate mode on the total station or the theodolite, and it'll give me the angle to turn to, and then let's say it gives me that angle of JC custom. Let's just give a random number. All right. It tells me that let's say I was looking for this coordinate point. Enter. And I know the coordinates, right? I can put those coordinates in, easting, whatever, right? And then northing, and then it'll tell me what to turn to, and I'll be oriented, right? That's all the instrument will be oriented correctly. It'll know where when I turn to that angle. Let's actually just do that, right? So yeah. 216.87, right? I can't do that until I undo that. So if we put that in, X is 6.97. So the coordinate will stay the same on the 0.1, 6.97. And Y will be negative, will be 95.1988. Six 9795. Six nine 759. All right, and 216.8766. 216.8766. So see that's why that's useful to be able to inverse just those 2 points, and at a total station you can, because these are in GPS, there's no like on this job there's no grid lines, it's just GPS coordinates all over the place. So it'll be useful so that I can put this in Excel and open it up on my phone, right? That's why it's this is the purpose or the use for this formula. So hope that helps you, like I said, in your career and maybe in your classwork. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Part 2. Bye.